Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program 2014 Nissan Murano Smart Key. First, we need to prepare K518 Pro OBD communication cable and choose Smart Key to be programmed.
Now, we plug an OBD communication cable. Select Generate Smart Key. Nissan. Select Murano. Select the second menu according to the original key. Now put our key into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successful. OK. Return to main menu. The second step, Zimo and remote. Find Nissan. Select from type. Smart key. New 20-bit rolling code. Murano. PEPS 1 crawling code. Program Smart key. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn on emergency flasher. OK. All keys will be deleted. OK. Don't step on the brake. Long press the start button. Turn on the ignition switch. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Use the logo position of the first key. Press the start button. Hold close to the start button for 10 seconds. The security light will illuminate 5 times. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Program successfully. Program the next one. Click OK. Use the logo position of the second key. Press the start button. Hold close to the start button for 10 seconds. The security light will illuminate 5 times. Click OK after completion. Turn off the ignition switch. OK. Program successfully. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Click the Start button with the logo position of the first key. Do not leave. Wait for the ignition switch to turn on. The buzzer will sound a few times. OK. Turn off the ignition switch. OK. Programming complete. OK. Key programming is successful. Now let's try. If the key can start the car normally. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Original key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Original key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Both keys' remote controls are normal.
That's all how we program the smart key for this car. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.